everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty nice here, chilly, but nice. I hope everybody's doing good. I have a unboxing today. Comes in a package like this. Any guesses? All right, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we got a little zipper. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, we got Pandora. All right, cool. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, we got the receipt. We got the Pandora information there. Okay. Okay, this is visit us online. And then it has Pandora right there. All right, it comes in a little silver box like that. Hologram, pretty cool. And that's all you get. No tissue paper, no pouch, no nothing. All right. Cut back. But there's no cut back on price. So these are from the Disney 100. There's 9 charms and a special bracelet. So let's see which one I got here. All right, so it says Disney, if you can see that, 100. Okay, so you slide off. All right, let's see here. Here we go. Okay, slide this off. All right, it says Pandora. Okay. All right, let's see here. Okay, nothing in there. And then we get the little, let's go ahead and do this. All right. All right, does come in some bubble wrap. So that's cool. And these charms are very expensive. They're silver and 14 karat gold, along with Pandora diamond. All right. And that's what it looks like. That's the back. And that is Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. All right, let's see if we can do it this way. Okay, there we go. All right, so is any of you guys getting the Disney 100 Pandora charms? Let me know in the comments below. And that is my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.